Hey everyone, so I have an 18 by 20 canvas today, and I'm going to go back to my beginning pouring roots, and I'm going to use my color combo that I loved back then. So I'm absolutely going to need some white, but I'm going to use the Grumbacher Prussian Blue, but I am going to throw some of the iridescent in there as well that I mix in there. Grumbacher Phthalo Yellow Green, Lucas Turquoise, and Grumbacher Light Blue. So I thought instead of just doing a plain old dirty pour, I'm going to kind of do, not so much a traveling one, but I think I'm just going to waterfall it and then fill in what I need. So it's going to be something a little different. So of course I take my favorite little cup that I get from wherever we get food from. And I'm going to spray that with the WD-40. And that's in the black can, not the blue can. Let me move this out of the way while I fill this cup up. So I'm going to start with some white. And I'm going to go right into the Prussian blue, the lime green. I call it lime green. I'm going to go back with the iridescent so I can encase that a little bit. The Lucas Turquoise. A little bit more white. The Grumbacher Light Blue. And then we're going to do it again, just a touch. I did quite a few pieces with these colors back in the beginning. Flipping drags, and I did a tabletop. But I always come back to it once in a while just to make sure that I'm still liking it. I'm going to go one more round, guys. Doing a lot of videos today, so we'll be covered for the holidays. And I started my big sale on Etsy for the holiday, and that's good until December 12th. So if you've been looking at paintings and you want one, now's the time to get one. If you want them shipped to the person that you're giving them to, I can do that for you as well. Save you guys on the extra shipping. So I have a little more than half of this cup. So that's plenty of paint to cover this, and I just want to have some fun. So I'm pinching my corner here, or my edge. And I'm going to travel it down the middle. And I'm going to come up through. I don't have a lot left, but I wanted to put a few lines in here that weren't part of the original design. And the rest of that I'll drop on that corner. Okay. So let me give that just a quick torch. Pop some air bubbles. And let's get to work in here. If you hear squirt bottles and squeaking in the background, that would be Alan. He's prepping tiles for us for upcoming videos for our runoff. We go through a lot of tiles, so we don't waste paint. So now I'm going to bring it this way. I see something there that's holding it up though. Let's see if I can grab that. Oh, let's see, where was it? I don't think it's a clump. I think it was an air bubble. Yeah. So I just want to stretch that top part down here and bring it off that corner. So it's not quite as boring. But I am liking that. And I see that spot again. But the minute I turn my head, it hides again. It's right here. I don't see anything. At least nothing's coming out of there. Alright, let me give it a torch. I could have used more white and got away with it. I was worried that I'd get too much white. I am getting some cool cells coming through. So that'll be it for this one, and this one will probably get some embellishing done with some vinyl work. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that bell so you'll get notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our Facebook group, the Parage Posse with Christina Welch. That link is right below the video, as well as all the links to our Etsy shop, our Redbubble, our Amazon shop for all your paint supplies and for your holiday shopping. And our fan mail is down there. Our code for Stone Coat Art Resin is down there as well. And our PayPal link if you want to donate to the channel. We do giveaways for our sponsors. So check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And watch for the 50,000 subscriber giveaway. We may be pulling that Friday, if we haven't already. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.